Welcome back to HillbillyROandD. Just stopping by to say hey, and it's Saturday night, and got some rain going on. It's kind of nice. A little rain on the tin roof here. Got the lantern going. A little bit of tunes playing. There's Sophia. She's coming. Sophia doesn't like the rain. She just comes out and sees the rain, and she's like, "Nope, ain't doing it." I hear Rochelle there. Rochelle's coming. Try to get Rochelle to come out. She won't come out either. Yeah, they're Rochelle and Sophia. They're just like, it's raining. Not interested. But anyway, I don't know if you can hear that rain on the roof there, but nice out. Yeah, good Saturday night. I don't know if I'm gonna fix anything. I got this pork shoulder, whatever you want to call it, that I'm thinking about doing tomorrow afternoon. I don't know if I'm going to do anything tonight or not. I made we had some leftover macaroni and cheese, so I took some of that this morning. We had leftover macaroni and cheese and potato wedges and some chicken tenders, and I took all that. I put in some poured in a can of Rotel tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and one of these little cans of jalapenos, and about 5 eggs. And made that for breakfast this morning, and that was pretty filling. It was good too. I put some of that seasoning on it, and that came out really good. So not like starving at the moment. I'm not sure if I'm gonna maybe make a little something tonight or not. I don't know. If I do anything, it might be just something easy like brats or something like that. But anyway, just sitting out here and relaxing for a few, and I wanted to say hey. So. It's actually pretty warm out tonight. It's like 60 degrees right now. Nice little breeze going. Got the little wind chimes going a little bit. So I got a new pair of shoes here. These are Bogs, and that's the brand name. They're all rubberized. I like them so far. They feel pretty comfortable, and gonna just trying them out for the first time tonight. Kind of a good test. It's rain's coming down pretty good, and my feet feel warm and dry. But yeah, liking these so far. Rochelle got these for me for my birthday, and pretty nice. Thanks for hanging out for a few. Thanks for watching HillbillyROandD, and catch you again soon. Talk to you a little bit.